Once upon a time, there lived a young boy named Ahmad who loved playing with his friends after school. Every day, his mother would call him to come home before sunset, but Ahmad would often delay, wanting to play just a little longer. He didn't realize how worried his mother would get waiting for him. One evening, while Ahmad was listening to stories at the mosque, the Imam shared a beautiful teaching from Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Prophet had said that paradise lies at the feet of our mothers, and that making our parents happy makes Allah happy too. Ahmad sat there thinking about these wonderful words. That night, Ahmad couldn't sleep. He remembered how his mother always waited for him by the window, how she prepared his favorite meals, helped him with homework, and took care of him when he was sick. He also thought about how sad she looked when he didn't listen to her calls to come home on time. The next day, Ahmad decided to make a change. When his mother called him to come home, he said goodbye to his friends right away and rushed back. When he saw his mother's bright smile, his heart felt so warm and happy. He gave her a big hug and apologized for all the times he had made her worry. From that day on, Ahmad became known as the boy who always listened to his parents. He helped his mother with housework, paid attention when his father taught him new things, and most importantly, came home on time when called. His parents were so proud of him, and Ahmad discovered that making them happy made him feel wonderful too. Remember, dear children, our parents love us more than anyone else in the world. Prophet Muhammad taught us that being kind and respectful to our parents is one of the best things we can do. When we listen to them and show them love, we not only make them happy but also please Allah. So let's all try to be like Ahmad and make our parents proud every single day.